What is going on, y'all? Back at it again for another video today. Today I'm gonna be working on the Camry. I'm about to leave the house right now, and I'll probably go and pick up my boy Ramo. We gotta make a quick stop at our school that we go to, and yeah, come home, work on the Camry, chill, and see what else goes on for the day. So let's go ahead and get this video started. Is that a tollmate fucker? I'm just gonna let y'all know right now, if you drive a Z, you know this shit is mad annoying to drive on the highway. It is nasty as hell outside. It sucks in the rain. Especially if you got an aftermarket exhaust. Yeah. Oh no. Anything on the highway going 80, yeah, all you hear is that exhaust. Hey ho, why don't you answer the phone?
What you mean?
I called you.
Bro, you swear I can't hear your fat ass fart cannon coming up and
wow,
shit.
you out here got me driving Hurricane Katrina and shit. Look at this.
For real, bro.
You get me a coffee, boy.
Alright, let's go.
6.5 hours later.
Can you believe this? Damn.
What you say? I said whoever threw that paper, your mom's a hoe.
Shout out to the whole ass dude that egged my car. Joke's on you, I already needed a wash, so let's go ahead and go get a wash right now. Today I'm gonna go ahead and be installing hood pins on the Camry. Yeah, I said it, on the Camry. So ever since I crashed this car, I've been having problems with the hood latch. I had it one winter where I literally ratchet strapped it down. It's just out of hand now. I'm tired of it. I fixed it, broke again. So go ahead and set that up and go ahead and watch. Yeah, I went ahead and I finally found my safety glasses. So if you're doing something like this, make sure you wear your safety glasses because you only got one set of eyes. I didn't want to wear these humongous like shop goggles I have because that would look goofy. But almost finished. Let's go ahead and keep going. We're gonna get the time lapse to go. So yeah. So yeah, we just went ahead and seen how to put on hood pins for your Camry, or just any car in general. What I did was pretty simple, if you didn't see by what just happened in the time lapse. First of all, I went ahead and seeing I had factory holes, got a different bit, made that factory hole bigger, put the pins in, put a little bit of grease on top of the both of them, brought the hood down. That marked the spots and where I needed to drill the holes, put everything in. That was it. Boom, done. Did take me a while just because I had to go do some stuff in between. And if you guys didn't know, I did go to a meet the other day, Chicago Car Meets. I'm going to go ahead and maybe throw in a little montage right here at the end so you guys can take a look at that. But yeah, end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. See you later. Peace.